Hey guys, I wanted to show you I'm making the apple cheddar salad with maple cider vinegar, or it's a vinaigrette. I My employees told me to get this light thing, I guess, and a tripod. I guess it helps to let you guys see what I'm doing better. But I'm going to show you a little trick of how I got this apple. I got these apples to look like this, and this is going to be our plating for the top of the salad. All I did was I used this apple. You see this little tool right here? And just come in, up underneath, in. And then right around where this ring is, I just follow this in halfway in. 2, 3, 4, 5. And this whole thing pops right out. Whole thing pops out. I got a neat little pattern in there. Take off my bottom, and then I'm ready to slice. Perfect. Just another neat little plating trick can make your salad look extra special. ChefBrianisbell.com. Chef Brian's Meal Prep.